Let's look at an example or two. We're asked to make a graph here. One way to make a graph is to make a table. You can always do this. If I look at this equation, the nice value to plug in for x is an 8. I'm going to put that in the middle. That's going to be our vertex. And then I'll pick a number on each side. Might as well do 7, 8, 9. If I plug the 8 in for x, 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0, and that leaves a 1 for y. Over here, if I plug a 7 in for x, this would tell me that the y is going to be 3 times 7, the absolute value of 7 minus 8 plus 1. That's going to be 3 times the absolute value of negative 1 plus 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and I got my point there. I could plug a 9 in for x, and 9 minus 8 is 1. Absolute value of 1 is also 1. Times 3 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. And I'd have my graph there. 8, 1, 7, 4, and 9, 4. And there's my V shape. Ooh, and I'm done. So a table will always work to make a graph. On the other hand, you could also look at this equation, and I know the vertex, just from the equation, the vertex is going to be 8, 1. I know the shape is going to be a V shape because of the absolute values, and then the steepness is going to be this number right here. So I also, without making the table, I could have plotted the vertex that I knew from here. I know the steepness is 3, so I would go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, and then up 1, 2, 3 over 1 to the other side, and then plot. So you could get away with doing this without a table as well if you like.